ND News, lo que bota busca.
CEO di Kap está Ralph Blanchard por a duna palabra di hopi elogio, para lo cual è prome vuelo direttamente fuori di Caracas, Venezuela. Nos está papeando aquí de vuelo de Avior Regional, cojasi su llegada día de ayer y no estaba presente para escuchar su palabra nan pa elogio.
The opportunity to welcome a new carrier to the destination. We are delighted today to be able to share with Avior Regional the opportunity to host their first international flight, as I understand it. So we truly do, as Kap, thank you for your confidence in the market, for us to be your first international flight. We truly look forward to your services here to the island. We believe it's going to be great, and as Kap, we will do everything we possibly can to make sure that that service is a success for your airline. So again, thank you very much for being here. Thank you for selecting Curaçao, and welcome to the family of Curaçao Airport Partners. Thank you.